Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Swift Playgrounds and creating a blank playground so you can control files and code. You must import art and audio into the Resources folder, because once code runs, you'll reference those assets by file name. Next, set up Live View and the proper orientation for your game canvas to match your target device. While doing this, create a single game controller Swift file to house game loop scaffolding. This gives you an immediate place to write, update, and render functions. Once the scaffold exists, implement the core game loop, an update delta time method that advances physics, handles input, and spawns objects. You should separate state from rendering, keep positions and velocities in model structs, then map them to UI view or sprite kit nodes inside render. Make sure input handlers convert touches to world coordinates and queue actions for the next update. Also add simple collision detection and response. This avoids frame-dependent bugs and makes behavior deterministic. To finish, add UI polish, score, lives, a pause screen, and simple transitions to convey state changes. Profile performance in Live View and optimize by pooling objects, reducing frequent allocations, and minimizing expensive drawing calls. Test across orientations and play sessions to catch edge cases. If something breaks, disable recent changes, reproduce the bug in a minimal scene, and use logs and breakpoints to inspect state. Once fixed, export or share the playground file and validate asset paths before distribution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.